insurance for contractors is important. You've got different levels of limits of liability. General liability is usually $1 million per occurrence, $2 million aggregate. There's $5K in medical payments. There's products and completed operations, usually $2 million. The $2 million aggregate for the general liability. Advertising injury could be $100,000, or it could be $1 million usually. And that would be something you did caused a situation where someone felt that there was advertising injury, and so you would have protection against that for up to $1 million in your policy. There's damage to rented premises, that could be $1 million. It could be less, $500,000. That's fire legal liability. That's just something you did as a tenant, caused damage to the premises. General liability is usually third-party bodily injury and property damage. When you are a client renting out a space, normally the landlord is going to require that you have $1 million of general liability, $2 million aggregate. There are presentations that are needed. There is something that needs to be done. There are trials and tribulations. There is traveling. There are things that need to get done. There's different states. There's creating a referral basis among different types of contractors. There's returning calls in a timely fashion. There's addressing questions. You may have someone who does like window installation, and then they decide they want to, or they sell windows, and then they decide they want to do the installation. And the question is, should those things be covered on the same policy? So these are the questions.